Hi there, we are here to inform you about a brand new Photoshop marathon.
Then you will start diving into the amazing world of Photoshop.
It lasts 4 days. Within this time, you will become familiar with a piece of Photoshop tools.
You will start this journey by learning essential image adjustments. That is, you will make enhancements in terms of image brightness, vibrance, and tone. The next step will take you through my blowing removal tool. Here photos with unwanted objects will be fixed. In the third day, you will master putting any image inside the text. Cool, isn't it? By the last day, Q comes into play. You will be able to change any color in the image.
As the number of seats are limited, book yours in advance just by contacting us via Telegram. Hurry! Brand new Photoshop marathon awaits you.